Let's look at the series n is equal to 1 to infinity of 5 times 2/3 to the n minus 1 power. Now, hopefully this looks somewhat familiar to you. In fact, this is a geometric series. These geometric series all have the same look. Now, this one is already in the form that we want to see it in, and that is n is equal to 1 to infinity of a times r to the n minus 1. So we have two things in a geometric series that we are concerned with. We have the letter a or number a, and what is our r value going to be? Those are the two pieces of information that you need to identify to solve a geometric series. And our solution is going to be equal to a divided by 1 minus r when, because it's not always solvable, the absolute value of r is less than 1. All right, so in the current series that we are looking at, notice the element that is to the n minus 1 power is our 2/3. The number in front of that is our 5. And so if we put that together, first of all, our r is 2/3. So the absolute value of r is positive 2/3, which is less than 1 always, which means that this particular series will always converge, the one that we have right here. And that tells us that our series here n is equal to 1 to infinity of 5 times 2/3 to the n minus 1 is equal to a, and we said that a value is 5, divided by 1 minus our r value, which is 2/3. Now you can probably leave it here, but it is nice to actually clean this up a little bit because this one is an easy one to clean up. 1 minus 2/3 is 1/3. And when you have a fraction on the bottom, remember we can take it and flip it and multiply it on the top. And 5 times 3 is going to be 15. So our series converges always to 15. And there's no restrictions on it whatsoever. So that is the basics of the geometric series.